channel. As you can see from the title, it is a Nykaa haul and I have two boxes right here, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So my first product is this one, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Light. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with my concealer. I think this concealer was around 384 when I bought it, and this was at a discount. So yeah, let's start. So I'm going to be applying this concealer all over my eyes. I have already moisturized and primed my face and done my brows. So yeah, I'm just going to apply a little bit, and then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this all in. It's very thin, so it applies really quickly. मतलब आपको रगड़ना नहीं पड़ता, कोई मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती है इसके साथ, and that's a plus point. And I prefer liquid concealers over stick concealers because these are really very easy to apply. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this one from Swiss Beauty HD Professional Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 03. Okay, so I use sellotape whenever I apply eyeshadow because it just gives a very precise look. So this is the palette that I'm going to use today. This has a very beautiful packaging. I mean, this is really great, and this is how this looks. The MRP in this one is, I don't know, it's $9.99, but I got it for $7.99 and it was at discount. So yeah, I'm just going to open this up and show you. So okay, so these are the colors. These are very beautiful colors here. So I'm just going to swatch some colors for you and show the pigmentation. I'm going to take this beautiful orangish color and maybe this purple, and then I'm going to show you this beautiful white. I'm just going to swatch this on my hand. So you can see this is the pigmentation. I mean, this is really good for this price. You will get no other palette like this for this price, and this, you know, this is really beautiful color, and this does not feel chalky at all. So yeah, so I'm just going to start. I think I'm going to do a little bit pinkish look today. So I think I'm going to start with this one, this pink color. This is a neutral color and this is not shimmery, this is a matte color. So I'm going to start with this one. I also got this eyeshadow blending brush from the brand London Pride, and this is in the shade LP310. So yeah, this is how this one looks. The brush is really soft. I mean, this is really good for doing really blending your eyeshadow. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my neutral pink color. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just concentrate on my crease area. I'm going to go with a very light hand because you don't want to apply all your force, and I'm going to go in a circular motion. This tape is really necessary if you don't want your makeup to spread all over the place. I mean, the pigmentation is also really good. So I'm just going to go in really well. Now for my outer lid and my inner lid, I'm going to be using this pink shade, this shimmery pink shade, and I'm going to go with this brush only. Dust off the particles, and yeah, I'm just going to place the color on my outer lid and my inner lid. And I'm going to be blending this both the colors together. I'm going to take this precise brush. This is not a bigger one. I'm going to go with this light pink color. It's beautiful shimmery shade. Just going to dust it off and just press this color in the outer lid and in the inner lid. I'm just going to repeat this once again. Just press the shades in the outer and in the inner lid. Now with the previous brush, I'm going to go again and just blend this all together. Beautiful shade in the center of my eye. Just going to take it on my fingers. Just going to apply it in the center. Just look at it, it's so beautiful. I'm just going to spread it on the middle part of my eye to make it a little intense. Now I'm just going to mix all these shades together so that it just blends with each other. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using this from Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner, and this is in the shade Super Black. Now I'm going to be using the eyeliner to make a wing eyeliner, just classic wing eyeliner, and this is the Black Magic Liquid Liner from Nykaa in the shade 01, and I think I got this for around 250 rupees. I don't remember that well. I'll just link it in the description box. So yeah, I'm just going to make a wing eyeliner. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be highlighting the inner corner of my eye and the brow bone. So I'm going to be using the same shimmery shade I used to highlight. Okay, so मैं नीचे भी same repeat करूँगी on the under eye. So I'm going to take the pink and I'm just going to just a little bit, and I'm going to intensify it. I'm going to take this brush only and just going to keep it away from your waterline. A little bit. Go very softly. The foundation I'm going to be using is this one from Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So yeah, moving on to the rest of my face, I'm going to be using foundation. For that I'm going to be using this Maybelline one, and this I have heard pretty great reviews about. So yeah, I'm going to take a little bit on my hand. I think this is my shade, and this was for $2.99. So I think it's pretty affordable for foundation. So it's gonna be making dots all over my face. This has a pretty good liquidy formulation. This is not that thick, so it would be easy to blend. I'm going to keep all of my hair away from my face. Some on my neck too. And some on my ear. Now I'm going to be taking my beauty blender. Just going to dab it in. Okay, this blends very smoothly. And this works for my skin too, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my concealer. So yeah, I'm just going to apply under my eyes, just here a little bit, and then here. On the bridge of my nose, my forehead, cupid's bone, and my chin, little bit, and have a spot here and some here. Let's see how this works. It worked great for my eyes. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it all. To set my makeup, I have this Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless Compact Powder and I'm in the shade 109 Light Ivory. The lipstick I'm going to be using is this from Elle Colourpop Silk and this is in the shade W52. Okay, so for lips, I have this Elle lipstick. This is a gorgeous purple type shade. I mean, for this price, this is a really gorgeous shade. So this is just ₹100 and it is a great deal for 100 rupees. So yeah, I highly recommend this. For my eyelashes, I have this from the brand Nykaa and this is OTT Drama. And this is the packaging. For my setting spray, I have this from Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural. So I have this Makeup Fixer spray from Swiss Beauty. Let's see how this works. So this is the packaging. I mean, it's a really beautiful packaging. This was for 200 rupees. So yeah, it's a great deal. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to shake it a little bit, open this up and just spray it all over my face. I'm going to just fan it out. So yeah, this is the whole look and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll leave my Instagram handle right here. So yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.